In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong on our end error on Amazon shopping app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, if you are experiencing this error, then most likely the problem is either on your app, on your phone, or even on the server of Amazon. For any of these cases, let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first method, most likely your Amazon has experienced a glitch, and to fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix on your app. For that, go to your phone and look for your Amazon shopping app, long press on it to access its app info page. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear here or the name of the app. Tap on it to access Amazon shopping app info page here. Alternatively, you can also access Amazon shopping app info page by just going to settings on your phone, and from settings look for apps, then go to manage apps or all apps, and then this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Amazon. If you don't see it, just search for your app by name. Once you tap on it, now we are on the Amazon shopping app info page. Here, go to force stop app and confirm OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this error. Then head to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Again, go to clear all data and confirm by OK. Now you have to note that by clearing all data, you'll be logged out of your app. For this, you need to log in afresh to use your app. First, restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, now you should be able to log into your app and everything should be okay. You shouldn't have the error. But should you still experience this error, then you want to check if you are connected to any VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this something went wrong error. But in case you don't have any VPN, you might want to check if you have any update for Amazon on Google Play Store or App Store. So just search for Amazon, and in case you have an update, just update your app to the latest version. For my end, I don't have an update, which means I'm using the latest version of Amazon shopping app. But should this not work, then the problem will be lying on the Amazon or on the other end, which means there is an error with Amazon server. For that, you have to wait for some few minutes and check later to see if the error has been fixed. So for the server error, you have nothing you can do on your end. You will just have to wait and try later. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.